Rassie goes ruthless. No more resting of Springbok veterans. Listen to the end.
I think the trick when you have guys 35, 36, 37, 34, and everybody says, can they still do it? I think I've been part of coaching teams where you taper, you slow down the pace of the training sessions so that those older guys can be available on Saturday. But then you've got a great team on paper, but the training sessions intensity wasn't great. And I've been part of coaching teams and management teams where you go, yes, we just want to protect these guys for Saturday. And I feel personally, and us as the coaching and management team feel, if you keep the intensity really high and those guys don't get injured or don't sit out, then they are not too old to play. And then the same thing with the younger guys coming in. If some of those older guys gets injured or start struggling with the pace of the game or pace of the training sessions, you'll see some of the younger guys. Do they stay with us in the training sessions of the intensity and so on? So then we believe you get the best out of both worlds. There's experience for the older guys. Are you still there? Can you still do it? Because we only look at your output. Your age is actually irrelevant if you have the same output as a youngster, and then vice versa with the youngsters. I mean, he's not young, but he's new in the team. Jaco